Hi, my name is Sarah Waldner. I'm the product manager for the Monitor Health team here at GitLab. This is the 13.0 milestone kickoff call. Monitor Health team will be working on bringing the new product category alert management from planned to minimal in this milestone. Alert management. Triaging and responding to alerts from multiple sources can be time consuming and challenging, especially when it's done under the stress of a firefight. Moreover, investigating these alerts via metrics and logs and traces, which usually appear in even more tools, seriously slows down time to resolution. Alert management aims to solve these problems by aggregating all of someone's IT alerts in a single interface within the same tool as their metrics, logs, and traces, and other observability artifacts such as errors that are critical to investigation. This way, we can streamline triage activities and help to reduce mean time to resolve. The first step will be adding alerts to GitLab and providing tools to help sort and filter through the noise so that responders can identify what is critical and then remediate those problems. So the very first step that we'll be working on is adding alerts to the GitLab database. So enable to surface these in the GitLab UI, we'll need to instantiate them as a brand new object in GitLab. This will be the first step in adding the list view and the detail view, which I'll dive into next. This is going to be a new table, and it's going to have different alert columns as shown below: alert, severity, start time, end time, events, status. And then additionally, we will be storing the payload as a JSON blob, which is whatever the originating tool the alert came in from sent us. Alerts are going to be added to the operations navigation in the left-hand side pane. Alerts are a primary and important artifact within the observability space that an individual who is responsible for maintaining the availability and reliability of a SaaS application will frequently need to check and triage. So therefore, we're adding it as a main navigation item to the operations list. Next. In 13.0, we will be building a basic list view so that users can view the alerts that they are routing to our generic REST endpoint. That list view is going to contain a set of high-level columns, providing the most important attributes about an alert someone might need for triage: severity, start and end time, title, the number of events that have happened, and additionally, the status field. The status field is going to have 3 potential values: triggered, acknowledged, and resolved. It can be changed from this list view. This is very important during triage activities, as it gives a single responder indication if something is being worked on or if it needs attention. Clicking on one of these individual alerts is going to take you to the detail page. So as you can see in that list view, there's not a ton of space for someone to be able to sort through and investigate a payload of a specific alert. So clicking on it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. We've very clearly highlighted what threshold was breached that created the alert. We specifically provided the overview, which are all of the columns that were highlighted in that table, and then access to the full alert details, which is going to be the payload that came in with the alert, which is going to differ by tool. We've also added the status dropdown here so that the status can be changed from the list view or from the detail view. And in future iterations, it's going to be possible to create an issue from that specific alert, which will port over details. However, creating an issue is out of scope for 13.0. That's it for the Monitor Health team. Thank you very much.